Originally we hadn't planned on building a stick-framed house. It really wasn't what we were looking for. We thought that a timber frame building, which is what we've been looking at for close to 40 years, was the thing that was right for us and our family. Chopped straw is the result of the use of a combine. So when they're busy harvesting the grain, they run it through a combine. And the result is you get small fibers like this, which makes the bales loose and easy to fall apart. Not the best building material for straw bale building. Well, when we moved to this part of Arizona, I discovered that there was really no good source for the right size timbers to build a timber frame building. Not only that, but I couldn't find people who had timber framing skills. And although I had some basic skills to cut joints and so on, I knew I couldn't do it all by myself. So, rather than go that way, I then looked at straw bale. It's a cool construction technique. It's great for insulation. It can go together pretty quickly. You can face it with earth and plaster, which is nice. But there was another problem, again, because of where we live. In order to find good straw, you need to have some kind of a grain crop. A lot of grain crops are harvested using a combine, and combines chop the straw up small. Well, maybe not this small, but small enough. So instead of having long pieces of straw, you have short pieces. And the short pieces don't hold together. They don't provide the structural integrity that you need for a good hay bale construction. So that's why we ended up stick framing our own home and using more traditional techniques for construction. There are a lot of potential gotchas with straw bales. One is mold. You can see it here. Mold is not good inside your walls. You want to avoid that. Just like you want to avoid chopped straw.